Alright, boys. It's about 5:45. We're getting ready to go to the lake. Couple poles. Leave back here, I reckon. I do my check. I say poles, pole holders, chairs, nets, bait buckets. As long as that everything's back there, we're ready to ride. About here, boys. Probably ain't too many people here yet. We're pretty early. Pretty early. We're at Lakeview today in Covington, Georgia. It ain't hardly nobody here yet. There's a few boys here. Get about another 30 minutes. I'll be rolling in here pretty good. I'm gonna go in here and get signed up, all that good stuff, make some bait. I'll get back at y'all, hopefully, probably on the lake by then. Quick update, boys. We're in the water now. Got a pretty good crowd. Probably about 30 people or so. I got this pole, a bank pole, just flipped right off the bank. And then these first 5 are mine. The 2 green ones and the 3 blue ones. I know it's supposed to be windy today, so I don't know how bad the wind's gonna affect the video, but pretty decent crowd though. I'm by myself today, my partner ain't here, so I don't know how much filming I'll get done, but I'll try to get something for y'all. It is winter time, so you gotta bear with me. These fish ain't gonna be ripping these poles out of the pole by no means. But hopefully we'll get y'all something. Get me something. Cause first place is a pretty penny, so we'll get back at y'all. Fish rolling out there. Hopefully we'll get back at you with some good news though. Right there is put off the bank. That's gonna be the one that catches the pig right there. Probably, I don't know, 4 foot off the bank. Well, boys, it's a slow one today, I tell you. Caught 2 fish, both of them little. Like a 9.2 and a 8.7. Doing 5 biggest today. 5 biggest total weight per team. And ain't nobody got their 5 so far. It's almost 12 o'clock. I don't know what's wrong with it. I know it's winter time. The wind is blowing like crazy. It's blowing steady about 15 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour. But every once in a while it'll be about a 25, 30 mile an hour gust come and blow everything off your damn table. But I've caught 2 so far. Ain't got none of them on camera. Set my camera up and the wind blows it over. But I'll try to get y'all some fish on camera here in a minute. They're stubborn right now. I just baited 5 of the 6 up. I'm gonna let one of them sit out there a little while. See what it'll do. Got one over in my point. Heath. Probably can't see it. Try to get a bit. See a little bit. But we're gonna stay with it. Hopefully we catch us a pig. It's been anybody's ball game right now. Ain't nobody running away with it. It's first and second. 700 for first and 300 for second. And I believe 25 an hour. Plus side pot and jugs. So there's still 7 hours left until anybody's ball game. But maybe we'll get back at y'all with some good news. Well, boys, I don't know what to tell you. It has been rough. I mean, rough. You see, I'm sitting in the truck now because the damn wind is blowing about 190 mile an hour out there. It's blowing steady about 15 miles an hour, but every now and then there'll come a gust. I guarantee it's blowing 30 miles an hour. Knocking the poles out of the pole holders. I'm not knocking them out of the pole, knocking them out of the V on the pole holder. It blowed so hard a while ago. There was at first, know that all 3 of my blue ones and all 3 of them purple ones over there got knocked out of the V, and every one of them alarms was going off. And it sounded like a damn tornado was coming through over here. I don't know what to do. See, I'm sitting in the truck. My stuff's out there. Had my little heater going and all that. Even it was getting blown out because the wind was blowing so hard. So I'm just sitting in the truck. There ain't no fish being caught. Like I said, today it's 5 biggest, and I think one person has 5 fish. He's way over there. He's right there in the little lake. Other than that, I think second place might have 3, 4 fish, maybe. Somebody might have 4 fish. I know I've only caught 2, and I ain't got neither one of them on camera. Last time I checked in with y'all, that was about, shoot, 3.5, 4 hours ago. Still ain't had a pole budge. I just don't know what to do. I mean, I know it's cold, but this wind don't help. Oh, it's been rough, I tell you. I enjoy making these videos and getting poles going up left and right and catching fish and taking them to the scales for y'all and all that, but it ain't like that every weekend. It ain't like that every time we go fishing. If anybody tell you that, there's a lie. Now don't get me wrong, I do have more better days than I do bad days, but here lately when they've been rough, they've been rough. I mean, the weather ain't bad. It's probably 55 degrees outside, but man, with that wind blowing and being out on this lake too, feels like it's about 40. But I'm still here. Like I said, ain't nobody running away with it, so it ain't nobody's game yet. A couple pulls on decent fish, and you can be right there on the hills. I think the biggest fish being caught today is a 17.9, so a couple pulls, but one good fish, I could be knocking on the door. Some of these other boys will leave and all that. Fish ain't, I don't care. I don't care if it's a 10-hour tournament, 12-hour tournament, 24-hour tournament. I'm here until the buzzer sounds. Because you don't never know. It don't take but a split second for one of these poles to stretch out with a 25-pound fish on it. But I'll get back at y'all hopefully with a fish or something. All my stuff got blowed in the lake. Maybe, I don't know, anything. Something entertaining. We'll sit here for a minute, see if anything happens, which I doubt it, but I'll get it to the 5-minute mark. Hey, what about 25 seconds? So. Well, boys, ain't but an hour left. Ain't nothing changed since then, since last time I talked to him. Besides having 2 pull-ups, and they both pull the pole up and get there and ain't nothing there. Ghost fish. We still got an hour left. Ain't but an 18-pound fish on top for the side pot, so that's worth staying here for. The wind's done died down. Maybe we can get us a pig here in this last hour. If nothing else don't happen. I'll get back at y'all at another time with hopefully a better video. Until then, it's just me and my little buddy hanging out for the last hour.